Hey loves, today this is not your average Caesar salad. We are turning it into a beautiful meal with blackened tilapia. Welcome back to Savory Thoughts,
where every dish tells a story.
and every meal brings people together. Some meals just feel balanced. You've got something warm, something fresh, something bold, something light, and this tilapia. This blackened tilapia with a Caesar salad. It's that perfect combination. It's that kind of meal you make when you want flavor, but you also want to feel good after. Let's start with the tilapia, because when I think about blackened fish, I'm thinking flavor that doesn't hold back. I reach for my butter, just enough to bring that richness and that little vegetable oil to help everything come together in the pan. And then comes the seasoning. I use our Savory Thoughts Chipotle seasoning, which you can find on our website at savorythoughts.com. Just about 2 tablespoons or more to taste. And layer that with some Cajun seasoning too. And listen, this is not the time to be shy. This is where that deep, smoky, slightly spicy flavor comes in. As soon as that fish hits the pan, you hear it. That sizzle, that instant reaction, that's when you know it's about to be good. And as it cooks, it forms that blackened crust that's bold and dark on the outside, packed with flavor. The inside stays tender and flaky. It's simple, but it feels elevated. And while that's going on, or once you are done, let's talk about the Caesar salad. Because it isn't just any Caesar. This is one of those from scratch moments that just hits differently. It starts with the egg yolks, 2 of them, rich, smooth, and the base of everything. Then garlic, and again, I don't hold back here. About 6 cloves, because I want that bite and that depth. We're also adding in anchovies, because a true Caesar salad, which is actually not from Italy as most people think, which was kind of weird because it was made in Mexico, but that's a story for a different day. It adds depth, a little Dijon mustard, a splash of Worcestershire sauce, just so we can build layers slowly. And don't forget the lemon juice, fresh lemon. And it's the lemon juice and the lemon zest, along with salt and pepper to taste, that just brings everything together. The citrus wakes everything up, and it balances out the richness in the most beautiful way. And as that comes together, blend it well to a smooth texture. And of course, we're adding Parmesan, grated into the dressing. Mix it well, slice your lettuce, place everything in a bowl, add your croutons, and give your dressing a little stir, then drizzle some on top. This is where I'd like to also season it with a little bit more salt and pepper to taste, if needed. Mix it well, and then add shaved Parmesan right on top, because you want that salty, nutty finish in every bite. Oh, by the way, our homemade croutons were seasoned with our Jacmel seasoning, which you can also find on our website at savorythoughts.com. So you already know those aren't just regular croutons. They've got flavor. Put everything together in a plate. Now you've got that bold blackened tilapia, warm, smoky, perfectly cooked, and then that fresh Caesar salad that's seasoned just right to make sure that this is the kind of plate that feels complete. Nothing extra, nothing missing. Just really good food. If you enjoy meals like this, simple, comforting, full of flavor, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss what's next. And feel free to share this with someone who loves a good home cooked meal. See you next time. Cheers.